Hi, namaste. Generally, when we are finding a highway light, we find two lights. One is which has a reflector, the second one is without reflector. Here you can see there is no lens. Direct light is coming outside. So because of reflector, it will not go longer distance this way. So here also we have lenses. To avoid this, the latest technology come with this. But 90% the industry technicians, old technical people, they are suggesting still hybrid, this reflector model. There is a disadvantage using this one. The first disadvantage of this one is the reflector is very flexible. Because of the flexibility of the reflector, the mechanical damage in the transport is very high. So coming to this, you can take anywhere. So I exported to the Australia. I imported from the other countries also. So if you want to do this one, you can import anywhere, you can export anywhere. So if you want to export, I exported to Australia. You can export anywhere. Now I will show the second difference of this one. So you can see here, this is a aluminum one but less weight. If you see, this weight is more, this 200 watt, this is also 200 watt, this weight is less. Even if you compare any product, not only GLOLED product, the market where if you observe the same thing will be there. The third thing I will discuss with you, the lux level. So generally what is the importance for all? The lux is important, light is important. Now I will show one by one the same place, same location. Let's start now. I will show this one first. Now I am showing a lux here. You can see the same location I am keeping. You can see. So here the lux is approximately 1300. The same distance, same angle, I kept the light. Now I change the reflector model with the lens model. Now I am showing the second model, the lux level. Now you can see it is exactly double of the first one. So first one is 1300. The second one is now it is showing 22 to 24 approximately. Means the lux we are getting a double. So now we can avoid the perception. Which light gives you more light? The lens model gives the more light. Why? Because it has a lenses, it travel more. So if we go to the here this side, the lux level will be very less and this side will be lux. Now there is no light here. Suppose if we kept that one, the lux near is very high. The reason when you are using a high-end shade, don't go for the reflector model, take the lens model, you get the more lux. Suppose height is very less, then you go for the non-lens model. Now I will show you other model which gives you more lux, that is called prime model. I am using a prime model 100 watt. You can see the lux, it is almost double, means 1800. If you are taking a first one, that is 200 watt, it is giving a 1300 lumens. The second one, that is a lens model, it is giving a lux of 24, 200 watt. It is a 100 watt prime model, it is giving a almost 1800. So if you want more lumens at the height weight, you go for the prime model. If it is a medium height, you go for the lens model. These two are enough. You don't go for the reflector model. The reflector model has three disadvantages. One is the flexible reflector. Second one is the light will come very less. The third one is heat dissipation also very less. Thank you very much.